Hey guys, Alex from This Cob House, and today I want to show you this structure. This is a cob house we built back in 2014 for under $5,000. So a lot of people get interested in cob construction and earthen building because of the possibility of building for low cost. And this is a great example of how you can build for low cost and have your own little house with no mortgage for very little money. So I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough tour and show you some of the possibilities. So this structure was designed to mimic a Lord of the Rings style Hobbit house, hence the name of this building, the Hobbit House, with the classic round door. Now if you look down at the foundation on this structure, it's a completely stone dry stack foundation which I constructed back in 2014. It has a rubble trench foundation underneath the stem wall with a drain tile, but it's completely stone all the way around. We have the back porch back here, nice little sitting area. Great for the Airbnb guests. A little grill if you want. More seating area over here. And again, looking at the foundation, nice contrast with the earth cob walls. These walls are about 20 inches in width. And over here we have an earthen plaster applied. This is a plaster I put on back in 2014. And this week I'm here to complete the plaster. The rest of the building was never plastered, so that's my job this week, is to put plaster on the remaining sections. So let's take a look inside. So it's a bit dark. There are two lights in here, and the windows creates a nice ambiance though. So it's quite a rustic building, but it's still very comfortable. We've had people live in this structure through the winter here in Tennessee, and they've been quite comfortable. Just having a little electric heater here. So there's the bedroom area and the kitchen. We do have electrical in here. There's a refrigerator and a microwave. So you can see it's not of the highest luxury, but for the amount of money we paid to construct this, it's quite good and it's very livable. So the roof, we have a wooden bond beam on the top of the wall and just a basic roof structure with rafters hanging from the top side down to the low side. And we've got some roofing shingles on top. So I've changed my designs a lot since 2014, but this is how we did it back then, and it's held up very well, and it's done quite successfully. Hey guys, and a side note, I know you're loving this building and you're just wondering, how do I create one of these structures for myself? So I'll be holding an in-person class in November in Tennessee, where I'll teach you step by step how to build these from foundation all the way up to roof. So if you want to learn about earthing construction, especially cob and rammed earth, come out to this class and I'll teach you everything you need to know. So I'll leave a link in the description below. Check out that link, you'll get all the details, and yeah, it's going to be a great time, and I hope to see you there.